Homeowners in McLean know that local weather can be unpredictable. From heavy summer storms and strong winds to cold winter temperatures and sudden temperature swings, your home's exterior takes a beating year-round. While many people focus on roofing or siding for protection, properly installed windows play an equally important role in defending your home against weather damage. Quality windows are only as effective as their installation. Even the most advanced window design can fail if it's not installed correctly. That's why professional window installation is one of the smartest investments McLean homeowners can make to protect their homes and avoid costly repairs down the road. Keeping water where it belongs. One of the biggest threats to any home is water intrusion. Poorly installed windows often leave small gaps or weak seals that allow rainwater to seep inside. Over time, this moisture can damage drywall, rot wooden framing, and create ideal conditions for mold growth. Proper window installation creates a tight, weather-resistant seal that blocks rain from entering your home. Professional installers use precise measurements, high-quality flashing, and advanced sealing techniques to ensure water drains away from the window rather than into your walls. For McLean homes that face frequent rain and seasonal storms, this protection is essential. Blocking cold air and heat loss. McLean winters can be chilly, and improperly installed windows make it harder to keep warm air inside. Gaps around window frames allow cold drafts to enter and heated air to escape, forcing your HVAC system to work overtime. Correct installation ensures windows fit snugly within the opening, minimizing air leakage. This helps maintain consistent indoor temperatures, reduces energy loss, and keeps your home comfortable no matter how cold it gets outside. Over time, homeowners also benefit from lower heating and cooling costs thanks to improved energy efficiency. Standing up to strong winds can put significant pressure on windows, especially during storms. If a window isn't properly anchored or sealed, wind can cause rattling, shifting, or even structural damage around the frame. Professional window installation secures the window firmly in place, reinforcing its ability to withstand high winds. This added stability helps protect both the window itself and the surrounding wall structure, giving McLean homeowners greater peace of mind during severe weather events. Preventing long-term structural damage. Weather damage doesn't always appear overnight. Small installation errors can lead to slow, hidden problems that worsen over time. Moisture trapped behind walls, repeated temperature expansion, and ongoing air leaks can gradually weaken your home's structure. Proper window installation acts as a long-term defense system. By creating a durable barrier against the elements, professionally installed windows help preserve your home's framing, insulation, and interior finishes. This not only protects your investment but also helps maintain your home's value. Enhancing comfort and peace of mind. Beyond protection, correctly installed windows improve overall comfort. Rooms feel less drafty, indoor humidity levels are easier to manage, and outside noise is reduced. Homeowners can enjoy a quieter, more comfortable living space knowing their windows are working as they should. For McLean residents, where weather conditions can change quickly, that peace of mind matters. You don't have to worry about sudden storms causing hidden damage or extreme temperatures affecting your home's interior. A smart investment for McLean homes. Proper window installation isn't just about aesthetics, it's about protection, efficiency, and long-term durability. By choosing experienced professionals who understand local weather challenges, McLean homeowners can safeguard their homes against water damage, energy loss, and structural issues. When installed the right way, windows become one of your home's strongest defenses against the elements, helping your McLean home stay safe, comfortable, and resilient year after year.